Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if there is a meteor shower in Heartopia. It looks like that. Basically, if you open like your watch here, you'll be able to see there is like a meteor shower happening. So just press on it. It's going to be here until 12 my time, 12 p.m. But you'll see these like crystals all around the onsen mountain area. So you're just going to go around and collect these. So get out your like axe, I guess. I'm just healing this with them. And then you're going to basically go to the crystals and you're going to harvest them by pressing F here. Basically, those shards items from Doris's shop. She's going to be around Onsen Mountain as well. And then you're just going to be able to purchase items by giving the shards to her. Oh, by the way, this is what Doris looks like. She's here. And as you can see, this is a fortune store, and you will need to have these like shards to be able to like purchase her items. So yeah. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!